Have you ever looked down at the ground and seen tiny ants marching in a line? What if I told you, beneath your feet, there's a hidden city full of busy workers, teamwork, and incredible engineering? Welcome to the tiny world of ants. Today, we're going on an amazing adventure. We're going to shrink down, smaller, until we enter a magical underground world where ants live, work, and build incredible cities together. Wow! Look around! This isn't just dirt. It's a huge underground city with tunnels, rooms, and highways. Ants are not just tiny insects. They are super builders, farmers, soldiers, and caregivers. At the heart of every ant city lives the queen ant. She is the most important ant in the colony. Her special job? To lay eggs and grow the family. Without the queen, the entire colony cannot survive. Now, look over there. Those busy ants rushing around are called worker ants. They do everything. Build tunnels, find food, take care of baby ants. They never stop working. Teamwork is their superpower. Uh-oh. Who are those strong ants guarding the entrance? Those are soldier ants. Their job is to protect the colony from enemies. They are brave, strong, and always ready to defend their home. But wait, how do ants talk to each other? Ants don't use words like we do. Instead, they use special smells called pheromones. They leave invisible scent trails on the ground, like secret messages on the ground. That's how other ants know where to go. Let's explore deeper. Ants build complex tunnels and chambers, rooms for food storage, nurseries for babies, safe resting areas. And guess what? They build all this without machines. Did you know ants are super strong? An ant can carry many times its own weight. That's like you lifting a car. Amazing, right? Here's the real secret. Ants succeed because they work together as a team. Every ant has a job, and every job matters. When they work together, they can build entire cities underground. Even humans can learn from ants. Teamwork, hard work, helping each other. Sometimes the smallest creatures teach the biggest lessons. So, next time you see ants marching, remember, you're not just looking at tiny insects. You're looking at a powerful team building a hidden world. Wasn't that amazing? Subscribe, like, and share for more fun learning adventures. Check the description for exciting educational packs. Bye-bye!